Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the euro dollar so far this week has been drifting up, continuing to drift up, that is. As you know, we are in a huge uptrend on the daily time frame. Now let's go into that daily time frame real quick because the higher time frames are so important. Now, the daily time frame recently did take out these highs. I think this is whole move up starting down here is either a one of three or a possible A. I think it's either a one of three or a one of C. Most wave ones do take out the previous structure before they go down and make a significant pullback for wave two. Now, just keep in mind, it doesn't have to go back and make a significant pullback for wave two. It could just keep on drifting up, but this is a area where a wave two would be likely to happen. So anyways, going back down to the 1 hour time frame, to me it really looks like a wave five. It looks like a 1-2 since the last end of a correction we had right here. It looks like a one, looks like an expanding ABC of two. This is all a wave three. This is a traditional ABC for the wave four, and it looks like we're in a wave five right now. The only thing that's really going to tell us that this whole uptrend on the 1 hour time frame is over is seeing the low of wave four taken out. So if price goes down and takes out that low right here, the low of wave four, that definitely would turn me into a seller, and I definitely would start looking for shorts. Probably would be the end of a wave five on the daily time frame, like a wave five of wave one of five. But like I said, on the higher time phase, it definitely doesn't have to end here. And assuming that it's going to end here before the market goes down and breaks structure is what's going to get you into trouble. Because there's a chance it just goes up, pulls back, goes up, pulls back, and just keeps trending. I'm just saying on the higher time phase, this is a good zone where we could possibly end a wave one of wave five. Until the market actually proves it to be so, we don't really know if that's how it's going to play out or not. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.